Okay, 3.8 bucket seat. We're looking at the tack strip install here. There's 88 split rivets. I don't know why I remember that, but it just sticks in my head. They're including the hardware kit. You can see the Baltic birch ply. It's all water jet cut for accuracy. It has to be the birch ply. You can't get regular ply to bend this way. Very time consuming, difficult job to rivet all these pieces in position. They all have to be drilled. And of course the lumbar support is block is changed. Here's the other piece for the center that has the reinforcings in the weak point, so Jaguar did it, and the clip at the top. These pieces are included in our rebuild kit. You can see how this is upholstered under tension so that when it fits in we have the right look. And of course the cushion base itself, this is 9mm. You can see the roughly 3/8 of an inch. Again, Baltic birch ply, water jet cut, and has the Pirelli webbing. The metal bracket that the customer sends, or we have replacements if required. And you can see that that's how the seat is prepared for the 3.8.